Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's been asked a few times about the Insider program. Yes, I'm still inside the Insider program. I've kept this machine running and doing what it has to do to be in builds that they decided for me pretty much. So I was pushed to the Canary build on this main machine that I use a lot, so it's always a risk. But I'm taking that risk because of the channel also at the same time, that if I want to talk about some of the future features and so on, or the Insider builds in general. So the question that I get asked still today is, what is the Insider program still worth going to, and what exactly should I go in if I want to be in the Insider program? Now, yes, I'll say it again and again, the Windows Insider program has become pretty stale, and it's really boring compared to what it used to be in the past. And I think it still has lost its sense of direction. And going into the Insider program, for me today, I think is something that, look, if you want to go, you want to go, but don't get too excited. And honestly, if I were a standard user or even an enthusiast, I don't think I would enroll my machines into the Insider program if it wasn't for the fact that they were already enrolled in the past. But if you do want to go, here's the quick rundown of the different channels and what they are. If you want to take a big chance and possibly be at the one that could be the most exciting in the channels, Canary is the channel to be in the Insider program. This right now is testing roughly the same as the dev channel. There's not much difference, but apparently soon there could be a big jump ahead. We think this channel has been created for Windows 12 testing. So the features are going to show up. I'm going to show up for the possibility of being, testing Windows 12 features, that because we know Windows 12 is something that's going to come out in the second half of next year, 2024. So if you want to test something from the future, this could possibly become one of the exciting channels to test out on. Then you have the dev channel, which is testing Windows 11 and the different moments that we're going to get. So that is also an advanced channel. It is one of the channels that is also a little risky because we are testing a lot of new stuff that are in trial mode, basically. It's to note that if you're on the Canary or on the dev, there's no way of getting out without reinstalling Windows. So if I would click the stop getting preview builds right now, I would probably have unenrolled this device immediately. I would have to reinstall. There's this unenroll this device in the next version of Windows releases that could, it's there, and they give you an option to turn it on. This technically should take you off if they give you a chance. They kind of tell you that there's a possibility that you'll have a chance at some point, but it doesn't happen often. So in between those moments of unenroll of the device, you're kind of stuck there. The beta channel is where it's rather safe. It's the test of the features that are soon to arrive. So what you're testing on beta channel is something that is coming within the next couple of months. These are features of the different moments of Windows 11, for example. And last but not least, release preview is divided between Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it is the test of the latest bug fixing updates that are released every month. So you're kind of testing what's going to arrive at the 4th week of the month. And this is rather safe in general, and it is really the last stretch of testing something. And it's the only ring now that is Windows 10 accessible also. Windows 10 doesn't have any other rings because it doesn't have new features coming in the future. So you're just testing. If you're on Windows 10, you'll have just the testing phase for release preview. And on Windows 11, of course, you have that and all the other rings available. Like I said, stale, and with more and more indication that we're not even sure that Microsoft is listening to anything. It's become something that I'm not sure it should continue on. Personally, I think the Windows Insider program, the way it is uninteresting and maybe not even useful at some point. So it's up to you if you want to go there. And like I said, I think the most exciting one that could have a lot of things to show eventually would be the Canary. But it's also the most risky one where you might have to reinstall Windows because of major problems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.